right, and we're back this Monday morning. Ryan has a look at our full forecast. I personally would take a few more days like we had this weekend, Ryan.
And I think we're going to have at least a few more this week, Chloe. Today and tomorrow won't be as bright, but the trend is going to be for much warmer and more humid weather as the week goes along. This week will feel a lot more summer-like compared to recent weeks for sure. We'll have a lot of clouds around today, and it will be somewhat cooler, especially compared to the last few days. And then tonight and tomorrow, I think we'll have areas of fog, some of which will be thick, and then later this week up around 90 degrees for high temperatures. This morning fairly mild, most of us are in the 60s. It is a little bit cooler and somewhat less humid though in far eastern Maine. Not much rain on the radar right now, a couple of showers north of Sebec Lake up around Dover, Foxcroft and Greenville this morning. A little warm front trying to come through, and there's also an area of low pressure south of New England, but it's not particularly strong. What this will do though the next couple of days is keep our wind coming in off the water, and that will keep things somewhat cool around here, but it will still be quite humid. Dew points now in Portland in the lower 60s. Bangor not quite as sticky right now. Today I do think there will be some humidity in the air, but look at what comes late in the week. Thursday and Friday the dew point will be up around 70, and that's that tropical feel to the air. So this week will probably be the most summery feeling week we've had since back in June. This morning, a lot of clouds will be out there. We will see some breaks of sun develop, particularly farther inland, and there will be a pretty big difference in temperature between the coast and the interior this afternoon. I do think we stay dry all day long, though, and then tonight, this fog bank likely to roll in off the ocean, and we'll have areas of dense fog tonight. High temperatures today will be warmest farther inland, mid to upper 70s there. The onshore wind, though, will keep the coastline in the upper 60s to around 70. Tonight, drizzle, areas of dense fog will form too. It will be a muggy night again with lows tonight that will generally be in the 60s. And then tomorrow we start out with areas of fog, some of which might be thick, especially this time tomorrow morning. And then some breaks of sun develop in the afternoon, and the highest chance for that will be farther inland. I think we hit 80 in Bangor and Augusta, but again, somewhat cooler along the coast tomorrow with that onshore wind. But that's really the last day with that ocean influence. After that, the floodgates open for warmth and humidity, and we'll go from warm to hot for Thursday and Friday with high temperatures up around 90 and just a chance for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm each afternoon. Wanted to check on the tropics. Nothing really going on in the Gulf around Cuba or Hispaniola, but look to the south and west. We're approaching the peak of hurricane season, and there's one wave here with a 30% chance of formation. There's another one here with a 60% chance of formation, and it's headed in this general direction. So we'll be watching the tropics in the days and weeks ahead, starting to show some signs of life. Seas today around 2 feet with a northeast wind 5 to 10 knots. And fog may start to roll in to the coastline late this evening and certainly tonight. So mostly cloudy today, highs in the 70s. Fog tomorrow morning, some of which could be dense, and then sun emerges for the afternoon. Around 90 Thursday and Friday with a chance for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. Late in the week, a front will be coming south. The question is, does it come through on Friday? Does it come through Saturday? Either way, at the moment, I think the weekend itself right now looks pretty good. Maybe a thunderstorm on Saturday and then somewhat less humid air coming in on Sunday, but it takes until Sunday, Chloe, to really see a return to that cool, dry air. So pretty humid week coming up.
Gonna get my air conditioner ready for
Good
sure.
idea.
Awesome. Thank you,
You're
Ryan.
welcome.